Hey guys, this is Mallory from Mallory's Crafty Corner. Today we are making a clay charm creamsicle. The materials I used in this video are orange clay, white clay, light brown clay, and an X-Acto knife, an eye pin, and Fimo glaze. So let's get to the video. The first thing I did is got a little bit of my white clay and rolled it into an oval. The next thing I did is get my orange clay and flatten it. After this, I put my orange clay over my white clay. Then I covered everything up so no white was showing. Next, I rolled it into a ball, then shaped it into an oval. Then I got a little bit of brown clay and rolled that into an oval and stuck it to the bottom. Lastly, I got my X-Acto knife and carved out a bite mark on the side. Insert the eye pin. Time to bake! I baked my charm for 20 minutes at 250 degrees depending on my clay's baking instructions. Then I glazed my charm. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below.